Friends, in today's video, I'm going to review a very cheap budget earbud from Soundpeats. I have already unboxed and used it. Now I will share my honest opinion with you guys. So let's start. As you can see, they have the same traditional Soundpeats packaging. They are available in three colors: black, white and beige. But for now it is only available in black color because it's been launched at very early stage on AliExpress. And here is the interesting and most exciting part. I will provide you a $3 discount code in the description. You have to apply it when you purchase it on AliExpress and the price will further drop. So it's absolutely amazing. As far as its performance is concerned, it has really impressed me. The sound quality was excellent considering the price in mind. It was very enjoyable, clear vocals, high bass and balanced treble. The sound was not airy or broad, but it wasn't closed too. There was absolutely no distortion at all. So I would call this a little brother of Soundpeats Air 4 Pro. At this price, its sound quality is worthy of 5 stars. Fit and comfort wise, they fit very well and are comfortable too. And this is the kind of earbud where if you put it deep in ears, the sound is enjoyable and have a different taste. And even if you don't go deep, just place it on your ears, the sound is still of different taste and enjoyable. So it's a very interesting point to note. It has a Bluetooth version 6, so it was very fast in connectivity. It has app support available to Beats Audio, and the battery timing is insanely impressive. And it has 3 modes: normal mode, transparent mode and ANC. I didn't notice much difference between the normal and transparency mode, but the ANC was slightly noticeable, but it wasn't great because you have to keep the price in mind. So here ends my review. I strongly recommend it because I liked it more than Soundpeats Clear and Clear Dot. So at the end it is available very cheaply. So buy it instantly and you won't regret, but you must use the discount code to get it more cheap. The codes can be applied to all the products on AliExpress in almost countries. So don't forget to apply the discount codes and enjoy. Thank you.